Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to import CSV data, that is comma separated file data, into the Excel file. So first of all, go to your start button and open Microsoft Excel. It can be Microsoft Excel 2007, but you can also use Microsoft Excel 2010 in the same way. Once this Excel is open, go here at the top and in the toolbar select data and go to from text, this one, and click it, and now browse for the CSV file you want to convert. Okay, so I just browse for the CSV file and I will select any CSV file from here and I click here import, and it will open a dialog box which is called text import wizard. So make sure delimited this radio button is checked here and then click next, and according to your convenience you can separate and give delimiter. So comma separated file are generally separated by commas. That's why I will trick this comma and I will remove this tab from here, and then I will press next, and you see your data is showing in different columns. Now just click finish and click OK, and you will see your comma separated files are now separated in columns, and you can now analyze in the Excel sheet your comma separated files. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.